Inside of our van. I thought I would start off with our beautiful kitchen. It's the first thing you see when you walk in. As you see down below here, we've got our Bushman's 80-litre fridge. Surprisingly holds a lot of storage, and it also has a freezer, which is amazing. Above the fridge here, we've just got a little drawer for all of our cutlery, which is kind of overflowing. Next to it here, we've got our 2-burner gas stove that we can easily pull out. And below in these 2 drawers here, we've got just extra storage for all of our pots, pans, kettles, toasters, blenders, which is great. And next to it here, we've got just a basic under the sink cupboard with our trash can and cleaning supplies. As you look over here, we have a amazing pull-out pantry. Very organised, which is great. Comes in handy. And above our pull-out pantry, we've got a microwave and more storage for cupboard space in there as well. And next to it here, we've got all of our cups, lots of wine glasses, bowls. We've got a little spice jar at the top here, which is great. We also have hot water in our sink, which is amazing. This tap is great because you can pull it out, and it also has 2 settings. Handy for cleaning. And below here we have a seat, and also doubles as storage for our shoes. It's great because you just walk into the van, wipe your feet, chuck your shoes in, and it avoids getting extra dirt and sand in the van. So as you walk into the van, on the side here we've got our touchscreen, light switch and dimmer. We've got a switch for our LEDs under the bed and a switch for our water pump as well, and also a bottle opener. Over here we've got our toiletry cabinet, and this was an essential, a full body mirror so I can see what I'm wearing each day. So all of our toiletries are in here, mainly mine, and the inverter switch as well. So over here, this is where we store our clothes. That's Ben's side and this is my side. Surprisingly, I fit majority of my clothes in here, and it's really easy access. You just pull it out and push it back in. It's great. So this is our dining and lounge area. As you can see here, we've got 2 seats facing each other, and underneath here we've got a pull-out table where we can do editing and also eat food on. We also have a middle piece that fits in between here, and it converts it into a extra bed and just some lounge space where you can put up your legs. And also under this little seat here, more storage, which we can store our dirty clothes and towels underneath there, which is great for easy access. We also decided to go with a curtain just to make it easy access to get under the bed, the garage. And it also has a little light switch here, just in case if it's night time you need to get into something. So over here we have our set queen size bed. It fits Ben and I perfectly as we're both around 5'9". As you can see, and above my head here and over on that side we both have a little bedside table, and it also has a USB port to charge our phones as well.
So with our van we've got a total capacity of 170 amp hours of lithium power, we started off with 2 AGM batteries, but unfortunately they were just a bit too heavy than what we wanted. Once we loaded the van up, it was just a bit too much for the van, so we switched to lithium, so that's a bit of a bonus in the long run. All the electronics system are stored under this couch here, so we've decided to go with the Red Arc battery management system because it's an all-in-one system and it's super easy and was minimal setup. So on our van we decided to get 2 240 watt solar panels on the roof, so they cover most of the space of the roof because we decided we weren't going to store anything up there as we liked it locked in the van. So we're able to utilize all that space and capture a lot of sunlight, so we rarely ever run out of battery, and it's always constantly recharging every time we're in the sun or we're driving. Okay, so under the bed we've also got a 60 litre fresh water tank, which is powered by a 12 volt pump.
So we have 3 main windows in the van, and I've made these little magnetic covers, so it also insulates and keeps the light out so people can't see light from the inside. So we've got one on this window, the one on the other, and one on the main sliding door as well. We also store our outdoor solar shower. We have a shower curtain here that we can hook up on the back doors and just have a quick shower if we don't have one near.